In the world of manufacturing, artificial intelligence is reshaping the landscape in profound ways. Today, we're going to explore the remarkable impact of AI in manufacturing and one standout example of its application. One prominent example of AI and machine learning in manufacturing is the use of robotic automation. AI-powered robots, equipped with cutting-edge computer vision and machine learning algorithms, have become invaluable assets on the factory floor. These robots are capable of performing complex tasks with precision and adaptability that were previously unimaginable. Consider the automotive giant BMW. In their manufacturing warehouses, they've harnessed the power of AI-driven automated guided vehicles, AGVs, to streamline their intralogistics operations. These AGVs are no ordinary robots. They're smart, autonomous machines. They follow predetermined paths, navigating the busy factory environment with ease. Their mission: to automate the transportation of supplies and finished products throughout the manufacturing process. But it's not just about moving stuff from point A to point B. These AGVs are enhancing inventory management and visibility for BMW in remarkable ways. They can optimize routes, avoid obstacles, and even coordinate with each other to ensure seamless operations. This means reduced downtime, increased efficiency, and a significant boost to overall productivity. And here's the real game changer. AI allows these AGVs to learn and adapt over time. They can detect changes in the factory layout, adapt to new tasks, and continuously optimize their operations. It's like having a team of tireless and incredibly efficient workers who never stop improving. But of course, let's see, the impact of AI in manufacturing goes beyond robotic automation. It's also about predictive maintenance, quality control, and demand forecasting. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to predict when a machine is likely to fail, reducing costly downtime. They can inspect products with incredible precision, catching defects that might escape human eyes. And they can analyze market trends and customer data to optimize production schedules and meet demand more efficiently. In conclusion, AI is transforming the manufacturing industry in profound ways, making it smarter, more efficient, and more adaptable than ever before. Whether it's through the use of AI-powered robots like BMW's AGVs or other applications, the integration of artificial intelligence is propelling manufacturing into the future. It's an exciting time for the industry as technology and innovation continue to redefine what's possible on the factory floor.